Discover the best hospitals for brain tumor treatment in India with high success rates, affordable costs, various types of treatments, and excellent facilities. Get answers to frequently asked questions about brain tumor treatments in the healthcare industry. In this video, we will delve into the best hospitals for brain tumor treatment in India and addressing frequently asked questions in the healthcare industry. Apollo Proton Cancer Center, APCC, Chennai, recognized for its excellent success rates in treating complex brain tumors. The hospital offers a comprehensive range of treatments, including minimally invasive surgeries, proton therapy, and targeted therapies. Medanta, the Medicity, Gurugram is renowned for its high success rates in treating both benign and malignant brain tumors, thanks to its multidisciplinary team of experts. The hospital offers a wide array of treatment modalities, including neuronavigation-guided surgeries, cyberknife radiation therapy, and targeted drug therapies. Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurugram is known for its advanced neurosurgical techniques and successful outcomes in treating brain tumors. Fortis provides a range of treatment options, including gamma knife radiation therapy and immunotherapy for brain tumors. Artemis Hospitals, Gurugram is known for its high success rates in treating various types of brain tumors, backed by a team of skilled neurosurgeons. The hospital provides a range of treatment options, including minimally invasive surgeries, cyberknife radiosurgery, and precision therapies. HCG Cancer Center, Bangalore is a leading center for cancer care, with a strong track record of successful brain tumor treatments. The hospital specializes in advanced surgical techniques, precision radiotherapy, and genetic profiling for personalized treatments. Max Healthcare, New Delhi has a reputation for achieving successful outcomes in complex brain tumor cases through innovative treatment approaches. Max Healthcare provides a comprehensive range of services, including awake craniotomy, intraoperative MRI, and targeted therapies. Manipal Hospitals, Bengaluru in Bengaluru is known for its expertise in treating complex brain tumors with high success rates. Manipal Hospital specializes in minimally invasive surgeries, targeted drug therapies, and personalized treatment plans for brain tumors. Aster Medcity, Kochi is known for its successful outcomes in treating brain tumors, supported by a team of skilled neurosurgeons and oncologists. The hospital specializes in advanced neurosurgical techniques, targeted therapies, and immunotherapy for brain tumors. Yashoda Hospitals, Hyderabad is renowned for its high success rates in treating brain tumors, owing to its team of experienced neurosurgeons and state-of-the-art facilities. Offers a wide range of treatment options for brain tumors, including surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation therapy. Nanavati Max Super Speciality Hospital, Mumbai boasts high success rates in treating brain tumors, leveraging advanced treatment modalities and expert care. The hospital offers a wide range of treatment options, including robotic surgeries, radiation therapy, and targeted drug therapies for brain tumors. What are the factors to consider when choosing a brain tumor treatment hospital in India? Reputation and expertise of the hospital in neurosurgery. Availability of advanced medical technologies for accurate diagnosis and treatment. Success rates of brain tumor surgeries performed at the hospital. Access to a multidisciplinary team of specialists, patient reviews, and testimonials. Are the costs of brain tumor treatment in India affordable compared to other countries? India is known for offering cost-effective healthcare solutions without compromising on quality. Patients from around the world choose India for affordable medical treatments, including brain tumor surgeries. How do hospitals in India ensure personalized care for patients with brain tumors? Hospitals tailor treatment plans based on individual patient needs, considering factors like tumor type, location, and overall health. Regular follow-ups and monitoring to track treatment progress and manage side effects. Emotional and psychological support for patients and their families throughout the treatment journey. How WDI Medical Tourism helps in brain tumor treatment in India. WDI Medical Tourism is a leading medical tourism company that helps international patients seeking medical treatment in India. Was founded in 2010. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information. Thank you for watching.